What is the use of having a library full of Steam games but if you can't enjoy it with your Steam friends and saying blank screen in the place of the friend's name on a Steam is not an experience gamers are used to. But if you have found yourself in a similar situations, and this tutorial should be helpful in troubleshooting the problem. So this is Edmond Mendaro's channel, and we will do some solutions to fix the problems. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to quit Steam and relaunch it. So all you have to do is to close the Steam applications. Para magawa natin yan, so dito lang sa taskbar ay makikita mo dito yung icon na yan. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And next step is to find Steam applications. So once na-locate mo na yung Steam applications, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung exit themes. Okay? So once na-exit mo na yan, and then next or other solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa taskbar. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So once na-open mo na yung Task Manager, and dito lang sa Processes tab, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Steam. Okay? And then pwede mo namang i-search dito sa taas, dito sa searching address bar. So click mo lang yan, and then type mo lang dito yung Steam, and automatic mga kaibigan, mag-appear ka agad dito. So ang next step, so select mo lang yung Steam applications, right click, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung End Task. Alright? So in other solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin yan. So dito lang sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer, and then i-click mo lang dito yung Open. And dito lang sa right side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung This PC. And then dito sa Devices and Drives, so kailangan mo lang i-double click itong ating C drive. So select and double click. And next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Program Files 86. So scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung Program Files and 86. So double click ulit. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Steam. So scroll down at i-locate natin dito yung Steam. So kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And dito sa Steam, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung bin or BIN. Ito siya, okay? So dito kailangan mo ulit mag-double click. And next step ay dito sa bin ay kailangan lang natin i-find dito yung Steam service.exe. Okay? So scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung Steam service.exe, and then ito na siya. Alright? So dito kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step, so click mo lang dito yung copy as path, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus Shift plus C. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then next step ay i-copy lang natin at i-paste natin dito sa ating notepad yung na-copy natin. Okay, and then next step, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, and then ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa Administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-copy yung na-copy natin dito na path. Okay? So ito yung pinaste natin dito sa notepad. So ang gagawin natin ay copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay paste natin dito. Dito lang sa task, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. Select mo lang dito yung edit, and then click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Control plus B. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa pinakadulo niya ay kailangan lang natin i-add itong slash and then repair. Ayan. So slash repair, one word yan, and then small letter, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so once na enter mo na siya, and then next step ay close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Steam printless black screen in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.